So welcome everybody, Roy here from Yago Yoga. Here we are on the 30-day breath awareness challenge on day 14. So yesterday on day 13, let's just do a little check-in with you. How did you get on? How did you experience that in your pause, that you got that sense of spaciousness, and then there was a sense of flow in it, and then there was a peaceful completion, and that in the pause you still felt that sense of motion? So that in that heightened awareness is that you're tapping into your life force. You're tapping into the movement of energy within you. Because it wasn't your breath that was moving, because you're in the pause. And if you're still in that beautiful channel, then you're tapping into your life force. So how did that go? Did you get it? If you weren't sure of anything, pop in a question below. Did you get it on the exhale? Did you get it on the inhale? Which one was easier? Okay, so let me know. Today's challenge is we're going to build on that. We're going to layer in more of the qualities that are already there. And what I'm going to get you to do today is focus on one of the qualities in the pause, and then I want you to take it into your exhale. Okay? So now notice that one of the qualities in the pause is you get a beautiful sense of calmness. And in that calmness, you also get a beautiful sense of effortlessness. It's very relaxing. Now as you exhale, is what I want you to do is exhale, and I want you to feel that sense of effortlessness, and as you exhale that beautiful effortlessness. Because it's in our exhale is when we let go of tension. We're letting it go. And that as we exhale an effortlessness, you're still in the tone of your lungs, you're still in the channel of your breath, you're still breathing your body, and then you're exhaling, and you're just exhaling out, and you're letting go. But it's that quality of effortlessness that you feel with it. So now, you're breathing, you're in the space, you're in the flowing space, you're in the peaceful completion, you're breathing that channel. As you feel it on the inhale, the exhale, and the pauses. And as you come to the pause at the peak of your inhale, is again, feel that moment of calmness. And as you exhale, I want you to take that sense of letting go and exhale that sense of letting go. Exhale the sense of effortlessness into that beautiful spaciousness of your exhale. So now that effortlessness is filling the space, that sense of effortlessness is getting bigger. And then you're flowing with that effortlessness. So there's this beautiful big sense of effortless moving through you. And as you come to the end of your exhale, there's that beautiful moment of completion, that you have let go, that you were exhaling an effortlessness, and that you were exhaling it all the way to a point of letting it go. And in that, you're really just releasing out energy you don't need, tension, stress you don't need. But it's that quality of effortlessness that does it for you. And again, it's naturally there. So you'll notice as you exhale, is just let yourself glide in it, and then just let yourself release into the space, and then flow in that space. And when you come to that beautiful completion and the pause at the end of the exhale, you're gonna just feel an amazing release. It's just, you've come to your energetic center, and you've come to it peacefully, and you're letting go of what you don't need, and then you're just sitting in what's natural and what's right for you, what feels right. And part of that is a beautiful calmness in the body, clearness in the mind, and it's just a natural sense of being present. It's a beautiful space. Okay, so give it a go. You're exhaling the effortlessness today, and that's the challenge for today. And again, 10 times, again, is good. 20 times is great. 30 times is amazing. And again, it's a small practice. You've been layering it all in together. Is that all you've got to focus on today is that when you focus on your breath, let your first breath just settle you into focusing on it. Let your next breath, inhale, prepare you for the exhale when you're letting go. So when you inhale the next time, notice how the exhale and the letting go in the exhale, the effortless in the exhale comes a bit easier, and you're bringing that heightened sense of awareness with you as you're letting go. So there's that effortlessness, and it's conscious breathing. And you're consciously breathing and releasing energy. Okay? Super duper. And again, remember, please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. is if you've got comments, put them down below. And again, click the notification bell for keeping yourself up to date. And I will see you for tomorrow. But for now, have a great day. Thank you.